Beautiful green crispy rolls are here with easy cooking. It takes only 15 minutes. This dish is delicious and kids-friendly. Adjust the amount of sugar depending on your preferences. You can use air fryer or deep fry the rolls. I'm sure it can be your regular home cooking menu. I hope you like it. Check the recipe and ingredients again in the end of the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel not to miss any Japanese home cooking in America. Ingredients: edamame without shells, heavy whipping cream, sugar, spring roll wrappers, all-purpose flour, and water. Frozen edamame is convenient. Alright, let's get started. These are edamame, heavy whipping cream, and sugar. Defrost edamame beforehand. Process those three ingredients in a blender. This is edamame filling after processing. It looks like almost a paste. If you like chunky texture, use your blender in short time. Preheat the air fryer to 395 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. If you are going to deep fry, start to heat the oil. Slowly take each wrapper one by one. If all wrapper is stuck together, let it sit at room temperature for 15 minutes. Place some edamame filling onto each spring roll wrapper and roll it up. Then seal the ends with a thick paste, which is a mixture of all-purpose flour and water. Let's make 4 rolls. Place the rolls in the air fryer basket. Cook to 395 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. You can deep fry instead of air fryer here. It's done. Cut the rolls whatever you want. Enjoy it while it's hot and crispy. It tastes sweet and creamy, but not too sweet. いただきます。Thank you for watching. This is the end of the video. Finally, I put the ingredients and the recipe again. This is the recipe in English. The cooking process was easy. It took only 15 minutes. And the recipe in Japanese. The ingredients are here. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. There's more upcoming videos. See you in the next one. またねー。